Hey guys, this is Al for droidshark, and today I'm going to be doing a review of an application that's in the Google Play Store by Crafty apps. It's $6.50 and it's called Tasker. The point of it is to, well, automatically accomplish some tasks for your phone. So let's take a look. Alright guys, so here we have the icon for the application itself. This is just going to be another video where I just tour the user interface and what the application looks like, because one really big problem with it is I haven't been able to get it to work. But can show you what the application looks like, and if you can get it to work on your device, it might be quite a bit more practical to you. So we have the profiles area right here. It says click the plus button to add a profile. We have a task button right here, it gives you a tip, and it's again same experience and same interface for the scenes. As you can see, this little check button right here will take you back to the home screen. The X will as well, so kind of interesting. I don't really understand why they both do the same exact thing. This plus button, of course, will add your profile. If you go to task and tap it, it'll add your task, and same goes on with scenes. And then we can turn on and off the application. So you can see when you hit on, you'll get a notification saying that Tasker is active, or at least the application is. If you hit off, that notification goes away. Tapping menu, we have the browse examples, so this will show you different examples of how the application works, which I have definitely taken a look at to try to understand how this application works. You can see all the different examples that this has. Even following some of the examples, I just haven't gotten the application to execute the tasks that I've tried to have it execute, so kind of annoying. Maybe I'm just doing it wrong though, I'm not sure. We have the preferences button right here, which is you have general UI settings, which you can see beginner mode, animations, haptic feedback, list item drag margin, the main screens for the text size, localization, you have the language, you can download more languages and always view help online, and you can change the color of the skin. Under monitor, you have run in foreground, changing the notification icon, custom notification layout. You can display off monitoring, change the accelerometer settings and calibrate it. Under actions, you have the camera delay and flash problems, which you can check and uncheck. And then under miscellaneous, there's a few more settings. Question marks next to really everything, almost. So that's definitely something cool that kind of helps you understand the application a little bit more. Under data, you can clear, backup, and restore different data of the application. You have the information screen, which includes help, overviews, user guides, support, about, release notes, device info, and source code license info. So hitting about info, you can see I am running a Galaxy Nexus. Under more, you have order validation. You can run an action, run a log, and then under developer options, you have save device capabilities and save data definitions. So if you're able to get this application to work, I will give you just a quick rundown of what it does. By going into the Google Play Store, we're going to search Tasker. We see you have that installed right there. And the application, as you can see on here in the description, total automation from settings to SMS, ADC2 finalists. So it can do triggers, actions, tasks, and scenes. There is a trial. It's not possible to fix problems reported via market comments. Just so, kind of a little developer note there, kind of interesting. Actions by category gives you everything what this application has kind of built into it, as well as states and events. And basically what this application is meant to do is actually execute different tasks that you set up. So I haven't been able to get profiles to work, but what as far as the settings, actually happening when I want them to happen, but as far as them executing different things that I want the profiles to do, again, a little bit of error. With that being said, I am indeed also rooted. Go to about phone. I am running Cyanogen mod, so that may be one of the reasons why I haven't been able to get it work. I recommend you do try this application though, because if you're one of those people who just want automation, Tasker may be for you. Alright guys, now this application has over 1 million downloads in the Google Play Store, but gets a 4.7 out of 5-star rating, and that's a really good rating. As you can tell by the review, I can't get this application to actually accomplish tasks for my device. Now I don't know if that's because I'm on a rooted phone. I don't know if it's because it just dropped support for the Galaxy Nexus or doesn't have it, but all I know is that the application will not work for my device. With that being said, I've actually used this on my friend's Motorola Droid Razr, and it did work, and it works very well. It accomplished tasks without you having to do a single thing other than set it up in the first place. And he uses the application on a daily basis. So to see that in an application is getting so advanced to where you can just set it up to do what you want it to do, and then it'll do it down the line, that's really cool. And that explains why this application has such a good rating, despite it not having the best or the prettiest or easiest to use user interface. This application isn't for beginners, so beginners should not be downloading it. Anyways, thanks guys for watching. Have a great day.